5 million in fees in terms of Shiba Inu. If you're using crypto.com, which I use as well, it's going to cost you 5 million Shiba Inu when you're trying to move that over to a trust wallet or any type of Coinbase wallet or Wallet Connect. If I move this over here, this is Uniswap, which basically you can be connected with your Coinbase wallet. So Uniswap and Coinbase wallet is together. You can connect that together. So technically I could send this crypto.com to my Coinbase wallet. I did a video earlier of how you can purchase Shiba Inu using your Coinbase wallet with Uniswap. Very simple and very easy. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video of the Shiba Swap tutorial, letting you know that it costs you 5 million in Shiba Inu when you're trying to transfer your crypto.com Shiba Inu from crypto.com to anywhere else, actually. So if you look at here, here's a Shiba wallet. It says 5 million SHIB, 5 million SHIB, and it also says 5 million in fees, and a 10 million SHIB is coming out of my account. So I'm only going to really ship or send only 5 million. So I just want to show you that, yes, you can get it on crypto.com. I think it's an easy place to get it. It's one of the, several places you really can get Shiba Inu. It's a lot of places you can really get it. It's more than what people think. It's just not on Coinbase.com yet, or Coinbase Pro, not yet, but it will be. Or it's not on Robinhood yet, or eToro, but it will be on some of those sites in the future. Now, click on the link below. You can get access to crypto.com. You can get it. I have a link there. It's very simple and very easy. And I'll do a tutorial of how you can buy it on crypto.com. I just want to show you it's going to cost you 5 million SHIB. So 5 million, just be aware of that, because I wasn't aware of that in the beginning. And, I was excited. I was like, okay, I want to get Shiba Inu. How do I buy it? I got it on crypto.com. And then eventually what I did, I moved it over to my Coinbase wallet. So I moved it over to my Coinbase wallet. And so I'll even show it to you right here. So I moved my Shiba Inu to my Coinbase wallet, and I'll basically show it to you right here. So that's what I moved. I moved it over to a Coinbase wallet, and this is what the Coinbase wallet looks like. And that's some Shiba Inu that I have left from a training that I did earlier. So it shows all your transactions and everything you've done there. So I took the Coinbase that you just saw earlier, and I moved it over there as well. Watch the training in the previous video that I did of how you can actually do that in terms of purchasing on Coinbase wallet. Now, if I want to avoid the 5 million in fees in terms of Shiba Inu, 5 million Shiba Inu, so it's not money. Well, it's worth money, but 5 million in Shiba Inu, you can get it on Binance or Voyager. So you can get it on, that's the two other sites that you can get it on. So you can get it on Binance, go on a Binance website, transfer it over to your Coinbase wallet or your Trust wallet or your Wallet Connect, or even your MetaMask as well. Now, what I did earlier today, I used the Coinbase wallet Uniswap because I just feel like it's a little bit easier in my opinion. But I think Binance is a good place to buy. Crypto.com is a good place to buy it as well. And it's very simple. So I already have, this is Uniswap. So I already have it connected with it already. And all I have to do is connect my wallet. I can do MetaMask, Wallet Connect, or Coinbase Wallet. I connect it, it syncs in. You can do the same exact thing. And see, now it's already connected. See, this is in unison. They both connected together. Now, crypto.com, I will have to buy it on crypto.com and then send it here. Send it to this wallet here, but it's going to cost me 5 million. It's going to cost me 5 million in fees in terms of Shiba Inu. Here, I can just do a swap, a simple swap, get my Shiba Inu on. Look at that. Boom. It's loading in. Boom. Look at that. Pow. Boom. Look at that. I can go ahead and do that right now. And make sure you have Ethereum. Make sure you have some Ethereum. And I'll show you that in a few minutes. Let me show you right now. The Ethereum. So I have this Ethereum. So basically, I'm swapping my Ethereum to my SHIB. That's what I'm doing. How do you buy Ethereum? Let me show you. How do you buy Ethereum? You buy Ethereum. I'll show you right here. Buy or transfer, and then Ethereum wallet, and you go ahead and purchase it right here. I can just put my number here, and then that's it. That's how much Ethereum I'm getting. But since we already have it already, I'll show you exactly what's going on. Since I already got it I'm just going to show you. There, just trying to get it. Boom, boom, doo, doo. Okay, so that's how much Ethereum I have. I'm going to swap it out because I'm avoiding the 5 million in fees from crypto.com. So I'm trying to avoid that. You can get it on Binance and move it over here as well. You can. I'm just showing you another way. So I'm just going to get, I'm going to get 1 million this time. 1 million. I'm going to move this back up so you can see it. So I'm going to get 1 million in Shiba Inu. I am swapping my Ethereum to Shiba. Swap. Confirm. Here's that confirm on phone again, just like we did before. It's going to cost $11.70 in miner fee. That's going to be my Ethereum. And I'm going to pay, just to let you know. Remember, we have plenty of Ethereum there to basically handle these type of transactions. So $11 is not bad in gas fees, miner fees. I think that's not bad at all. So they're being transparent with you as well. So everything is loading in. I got to put my pin in there now. And voila, it just took some money out. That $96, and you see this. See the transparency right here. You see that out. And close it there. And then I'll show you. Then I bought some more Shiba. Now remember, this is $29.06. So I just swapped some Ethereum to Shiba because we want to avoid the 5 million in Shiba Inu fees from crypto.com. So I'm just showing you another way and that you can get it on here. So here soon, what's going to happen, this is going to change. So I want to show you this. I want to show you this. Hold on here. I want to show you this. So anyway, there it is. You see that? That 1 million. See the 1 million SHIB? 1 million SHIB is already in there. And this is actually the price of it. So you're going to see also this number should change, and it has. So look at that. That number is changed here. So now I got, I got over 4 million Shiba Inu. Now the thing I can do now is, because listen, I avoided the 5 million fees. I avoided 5 million in Shiba Inu fees. So let me go. So let me go back here. Then next, now I just go connect to my Uniswap. Connect to my Uniswap. Very fun, very quick, very easy. And you see it here being transparent. Look at that. Look at that. There's something else I want to show you as well before I move forward. I want to show you one more thing. I didn't show you this before. I'm going to show you this right now. You see this right here? This is actually when you stake it. When you stake your Shiba Inu or your leash or even your bone, you see it on your Coinbase wallet. So you see the T-bone stake, we're staking the bone. You see the leash stake, we're staking the leash. We're staking it, and it's right here. Actually, let me connect. I got to connect my Coinbase wallet. Okay, there you go. Let me go back. So look at this. So I'm staking. Move it here. So look at that. You can actually be transparent here. I am staking. You see 472, 472. I'm staking the bone, staking the bone. Leash, 2, staking the bone. 2 right here. And this is your Shiba Inu staking here. You see it right here. The numbers, you see it. It's actually lining up. Very simple and very easy. I didn't show you in the last video, so I want to make sure I show you on your Coinbase wallet and your MetaMask. You will see the information I'm staking. Now, the price is not on there yet, mainly because the APY says coming soon, so it hasn't been calculated yet. Nothing's been calculated yet, so hopefully this will happen in the future here. So just be patient. Just patient. I know you're ready to be able to have some success with this, but just be patient. So you see this right here. Now, remember, this is the Shiba Inu that we got earlier. Well, just a few minutes ago. So from here, I can go ahead and stake. So now think about this. I voted at 5 million in fees from the crypto.com. then I've got more to play with. I can stake it. I can buy some bone. I can, I can do some different things now. So, hold on here. So I'm gonna hold it here. So go back. So now I have that there. So I'm staking it right there. So now I can swap it. I can dig. I can do so many different types of things with that now. So that's why I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to show you, yes, you can, avoid the 5 million. Avoid the 5 million. Go right to your, and I show you one more time, is right there. Right there. So now I got over 4 million and I can stake some of that. I can dig a little bit of that if I need to. Dig for some bones here. So let me go and plus on provide liquidity. And look at this. It's loading here. There it is. I can manage it. And then right here, since I have this now, I can add. Why not? So I can add a little bit more. Look at the Shiba Inu and plus the Ethereum. Here's the supply. I'm adding a little bit more in there. Why not? Why not do that? So then now I'm adding, you receive this. There's a Shiba Ethereum pool tokens. Here's a deposit of Shiba Inu, deposit of actually Ethereum, and that's what's happening. I can confirm that. Remember to confirm on phone once again. Remember that. And I'll bring this back up again to be transparent. $12.92 in fees. Boom, pay. And then now I just got to put my pin in there. And then woof. Transaction submitted. So now I took my Shiba Inu and some of my Ethereum and I'm digging for some bones. And all I did was pair it with Shiba and Ethereum. That's all I did. I just paired it together. It's good to go now. That's it. I go back. And so now this pair is bigger. Cause remember that was like 400 and something. It was like 200 and something. Now your total pool tokens has grown because I saved 5 million in fees from crypto.com from sending it over. So my name is Adam Shelton. So thank you for watching this video. You can click on the link below, get crypto.com. I use it. I'm just letting you know how you can avoid it. So get started. Take this really slow. Take it slow. It should be fun. Breathe a little bit. I'm excited to do another video for you on next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and hit that bell notification when you want to receive videos just like this. All right, I'll see you next time. Take it slow and look forward to seeing you next time because this is the place to be to grow your brand and to grow your bank account. I'll see you next time.